Hello Turbo family, assalamu alaikum. This is your favorite person and today I bring you with another YouTube video, and today I'm gonna go over this beautiful 2015 Camry which I just purchased, which I just bought off the auction. Today let's do a small walk around video of it and let's see what condition it is in. First look at it, I see few dents, I see few damages, I see few dings and dents over there, but overall the car looks pretty nice, not bad at all. It's an SE, so it comes with the cloth seats, it comes with a JBL sound system. I see few damages here. It doesn't have a floor liner on it, so probably it had been in a crash or something like this. But overall it's a 2015 Toyota Camry. It's a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine, which is very good. It's perfect for first-time buyers, it's perfect for students, it's perfect for all kinds of daily drives. So it doesn't cause these cars are very reliable and it doesn't cause any kind of issues or anything. But let's go take a look at the interior. Interior is pretty clean. I see no spots, I see no rips, no torn things. Could use a detail, which I'm gonna do in a bit, but it has a Pioneer sound stereo system too. The back looks pretty good, not bad at all, not bad at all. How much do y'all think I paid for this? Comment down below. Pretty good. I see no scratches, nothing a good buff can't take it out, but overall it's pretty great, not bad at all. Beautiful color, by the way. It's, I think, metallic red, which is very beautiful color, as you can see in the light. Let's go look at it in front. Look at this beautiful car. It's beautiful, isn't it? Huh? Yes sir. Come get this vehicle from Turbo Traders. We are located in 4556 JD Mauser Parkway, Alvarado 76009, Texas.